Hello again from Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Have a look at this sentence. He to find a job, but he had no luck. He to find a job, but he had no luck. What are the missing words? Have a look at these three possibilities. The first one, tried hard. The second one, tried hardly. The third one, hardly tried. Which one fits? Tried hard, tried hardly, or hardly tried? The answer is tried hard. Why? Tried hardly. Hardly is the opposite in meaning to tried hard. If you hardly try, then you try just a little bit, not enough. But if you are looking for a job, then you will do anything you can to find one. So you would try hard to find a job. So in the sentence, he tried hard to find a job, but he had no luck. English grammar, easy peasy-ish. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.